order that for me.
Oh, okay. Make it.
What does it look like? Is it like brownie good?
Yeah.
Taste it. And if the garlic tastes good, then it's ready.
Let me get a big piece.
Ándale, güey. Is it good or no? Alright, let's see.
Okay.
This is the salad that I saw on Instagram. And it's like ingredients are real expensive. So you better like it.
We'll see.
Don't play with me, boy.
I don't.
Taste the salad first. That's what we came for. Get a little bit of everything. Get a piece of cheese and a piece of a date and kale.
Go buy.
What do you think? Do you like it?
Really good.
Does it make you want to have kale forever and ever?
Mm-hmm.
All right, you can taste your steak.
Salad.
That's a good salad, right?
Mm-hmm. Very good.
And it's just a basic steak with salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onions. Nothing special, but...
To me, that's special. Really good.
Órale. It's so basic, but it's oh so good. All right, this is beef. I forget what this is called, but it's like a beef stew. There's a fancy name for it. I don't remember. So enjoy. Provecho.
Okay, can I try this?
I used the steak that we had from yesterday. And I sauteed some carrots and some bacon fat and some shallots and made a gravy. Oh, and some wine. That's just frozen. That's frozen. But that's the main dish. You like it or not? Would you like to have it again or
Yeah.
or no? You would?
Yeah.
All right. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. We love you guys. Bye.
Bye, everybody. That's good.